Maybe just because we are getting easy money from our parents, and just because we have got we have unknowingly got ourselves into laziness because of our sedentary lifestyle. Maybe because we are watching porn too much, we are into video game too much, we are always binge watching some shows all the time. Because of all these wrong habits, you have failed to realize so many important things of your life. You have failed to realize the importance of time. You have failed to realize the importance of your own money. Okay, the money which you are getting from your parents is a different thing, but the money which you earn, which you make by your own effort, it means something different. And then the importance of earning respect, importance of earning recognition, importance of earning an identity in society. You are unknowingly failing to realize the importance of all these things because of easy money and because of sedentary lifestyle. So you need to begin cautiously telling to yourself, very cautiously. Okay, it won't happen by itself. You will have to begin telling it to yourself very cautiously that all these things mean a lot in human life. Maybe just because you are in early part of your 20s, and just because you are living an easy and comfortable life because of your parents, you are unable to realize the importance of all these things. I am telling you, when you will cross your 30s, you will remember me and you will remember this talk of mine, that there was somebody on internet who reminded me, who tried to tell me, who tried to explain me the importance of all these things. So if you'll not wake up early, it might get late. What do I always tell you? If you'll not learn the hard way, you will have to learn it the harder way. So know the importance of time, know the importance of making your own money, earning your own money, the money which you earn out of your skill and talent, out of your own effort. Know the importance of earning an identity in society, a recognition in society, a respect. All these things will mean a lot once you cross your 30s. And if you will fail to earn all these things in your life once you'll cross your 30s, then you will regret a lot. I am telling you, you will regret a lot, because all these things mean a lot in human life. And you must also understand that the money keeps on reducing its value with time. Okay, so the money which you are getting from your parents now will mean nothing once you will cross the age of 30. And maybe when you will reach in the later part of your 30s, you will realize that the money which you are getting from your parents is not enough, because the value of money keeps on getting reduced with time. So at that age, then you will repent that why I didn't work on myself, why I didn't realize the importance of time, why I didn't realize the importance of having a profession, having some skill which I can use to make my own money. You will realize, you will face all these questions. I am telling you, once you will reach to the later part of your 30s, you will face all these questions, and then you will regret, and there will be only thing left for you then. It will be to repent on your choices, the choices you have been making in your life. Then you will repent why you were living under so much of comfort and laziness. Whatever temptations and pleasures you are killing your time into, you are killing your energy into presently, you will repent all this at that age. I am telling you. So listen to me very carefully. Wake up when there is time and start working on yourself. Start finding your why. Begin working on yourself and develop some skill. Find a profession for yourself. through which you can earn an identity, recognition, respect for yourself, through which you can begin making money for yourself. Do it. Otherwise, I am telling you, uh, only thing that will be left for you at that later part of your age, if you will fail to realize the importance of all these things now, and if you will fail to work on yourself and develop something productive in you, all that will be left for you at that later part of age is to regret and repent. Repent your choices, repent your decisions, regret that why I am nothing, why I am nobody, why I am unable to earn an identity, recognition, respect, and money for myself. So listen to me when I am telling you there is still a time left, and you still have time to begin doing what is needed, what is required, what should be done. Start cautiously looking at your choices, whatever choices you are making in your daily life. When you sit on computer, what kind of content you consume. When you are sitting free, do you prefer to gossip or do you prefer to read books? Have you joined gym or not? Have you started working on your physique or not? Have you started working on your smartness or not? Have you started working on your awareness or not? Have you started working on developing some skill of your interest, some talent of your interest or not, which is also in demand outside in public, which can be monetized, which you can use to earn actual money for yourself. Start very cautiously focusing on all these things and start making right choices right from today and make full use of your time. Otherwise, I am telling you, you will only repent and you will only regret. So, listen to me when I am telling you, start making the full use of your time today. And if you will follow what I am telling you, when you will reach to that later part of your, you know, when you will reach at the later part of your 30s, you will thank me.